Hey everybody, it's Jay at LockNLube, and today we are talking about the updated L&L 210. This is our best-selling Quick Connect accessory kit. Inside you'll find 8 adapters built to reach any grease fitting on any machine. First thing you'll notice about our Quick Connect kit is the compact form factor. The ripstop case rolls up really small, a Velcro closure keeps it sealed. You go to open it up, you have all of your accessories ready to go, each with their own individual pocket. At the top, these reinforced grommets are so that you can hang this on the pegboard or the wall if you want to, or simply roll it back up when you're done so that you can take this with you. Whether that's in your truck, into the field, wherever you're going, this can go with you. We call it our Quick Connect greasing accessory kit because all of our adapters have a grease fitting in the back of them. That means that you can grab these with your grease coupler, use them to get into that hard to reach space, and then put them away when you're done. With that, let's get into it. We'll show you all the details of the adapters that are now included in the L&L 210. First one we've got is this for sealed bearings. Keep this case on so you don't stab yourself. Inside, you can see a very sharp point here. This is made to go through rubber boots so that you can get inside the sealed bearing, add some grease, and pull it out. When you're done, be sure to put that case back on. Next up is our best-selling right angle adapter. This is the L&L 120. You'll see it's got a relatively short stack height here so that it can get in on the fittings. It has a knurled ring so you can adjust the tension on the 3 jaws here, and it has a spring-loaded sleeve to protect the Quick Connect grease fitting on the back of it. When you do grab that with your LockNLube grease coupler, that'll just sit inside the sleeve. Next up is our standard needle adapter. The tapered tip there fits inside the ball check on a grease fitting so that you know the two are connected, even if you can't see the adapter inside the machine. Next up is our extra long needle. The XL needle is the same design as the standard, just several inches longer for reaching deeper inside the machines. You have the same tapered tip here to reach the head of the grease fitting. This is what I call our cup extension because the end here is shaped like a hemisphere, which matches the end of that grease fitting. So let's say you don't have a clear shot where you're having a hard time getting the tapered point of that needle adapter on there. This one can be used to align with the head of the grease fitting. You have a little ridge here so you can push and hold tension against it, push it up against the head of the grease fitting, and even if it's not perfectly aligned, as long as you're holding some pressure there, the grease is going to go right into that grease fitting. This is our simple 90. This is a very narrow style 3-jaw coupler. This part here is flexible so that you can adjust the tension on the jaws. If you are going to adjust the tension on the jaws, about 1 full rotation is really about all that this will accommodate, and definitely all you need to loosen the tension on those jaws. Any more than that, and you risk dumping the insides out on the floor. So don't do that. The 90-degree connection here is built into the grease fitting so that you have a bit more reach than you do with the L&L 120, and it's a narrower fitting. So you may find that this is better suited to certain grease fittings on your machine than this one is. The last 90-degree adapter that we have is our push-on 90. This has a hard plastic interior. This is meant to be there. We have some customers asking if they need to pull this out. Definitely not. This is ready to go right out of the box. You grab this with your LockNLube grease coupler, and this will slide onto the grease fitting from the side, but you push this on from the side. This will sit and lock in place. It'll click into place once it's fully installed. And then all you have to do is ensure that this is about perpendicular so that the grease will come out properly into the grease fitting. This is especially good for very low overhead clearance, kingpins, things like that, where you may have a lot of interference above the grease fitting. Now, lastly, we have our seal-off adapter. This is made with a rubber tip so that it won't scratch or damage anything, because this can be used to dispense grease when there is no grease fitting. You can do the tip of your chainsaw, you can apply a line of grease on a slide, you can use this for grease plugs, wherever you may need it. Included in the L&L 210 Quick Connect accessory kit are all of the accessories you see here, everything you need to reach any fitting on any machine. You've got 3 different 90-degree adapters, 1, 2, and 3. You've got 2 different needles, a standard and an extra long. The recessed cup extension for those extra hard to reach fittings where you may need a little bit more flexibility. Your hypodermic needle for your sealed boots and bearings. And your seal-off adapter for dispensing grease when you don't have a grease fitting. If you're working on multiple different types of machinery or considering purchasing different adapters, the L&L 210 is a great way to go. You get everything in the ripstop case, so it's portable, it's clean, and it's organized. On top of that, it represents a great savings over buying all these adapters on their own. For more information about this product or any of the products sold by LockNLube, check out LockNLube.com or search for us on YouTube.